Lesson 1.8, Concept 4, Solving Proportions. We looked at using ratios and solving basic proportions in the first video, and if you have just constants or variables in your ratios, you should be capable of solving those. Proportions can get a little bit trickier when instead of just a variable or a constant you have an expression. The thing to remember is to keep that together. So you can put parentheses around it when you cross multiply. So if I multiply this, I would get 8 times 5 equals 2 times x plus 10. Okay. You can distribute out your value, or you can simply divide. All right. So 8 times 5 is going to be 40, but I could also just take this step first. Divide by 2, divide by 2, that'll cancel. And now I can actually eliminate this, factor that out. So I divide by 2 for each. So I have 4 times 5, 20, equal to x plus 10. Subtract 10 from both sides. Oops. Subtract 10 from both sides, and I have 10 equals x after eliminating that. All right.